Good morning, everybody. This is Marilyn. Can somebody... Oh, we have audio. Wonderful. Thanks, Larry. This is Marilyn with the morning view of my world. This is September 24th. It's a Thursday, and it's about 8:30 in the morning. We have news just hitting right now or about to. So if you're in a trade, be careful. Unemployment's coming out at 8:30. And we also have durable goods. So it's U.S. economic news. Pay attention to that. And let's see. This morning, bonds have certainly bonds have gone up really well. So the bond traders, some of you I think are trading bonds real early in the morning. You should have a very nice early morning. All four of the indices are trending down, and they have for the last 3 or 4 hours, along with the DAX. The DAX is painting lots of red apexes on its way down. How far it'll go, who knows. We have the VIX this morning is it's right around 22, and it looks like it might hold this 20, 21 area. We'll have to see what happens with that. When the bonds go up like this, you'll also notice that the yen is going up, and I'm talking about the spot, the 6J. That can make a good correlation for you. This morning in crude oil is really taking a hit, and this is being led by Brent, although Brent doesn't seem to be as active this morning as West Texas. So we'll see as the European sessions close or wind down within the next hour or couple hours. We'll see if that changes any. But this morning, what I wanted to show you is if you're trading crude oil, we definitely have a downtrend, and I'll get over here with the pointer. We want to take a look at this relative to what's happened overnight, and overnight nothing has really changed. It's continued in its red apex formations, and it is trading below settlement now. So in order, when we look at this this 30-minute candle, and we see kind of a waterfall effect right here, we're going to need to, you can scalp this northbound, but we're going to need to see something that tells us this trend is going to turn around. And right now we see no such animal this morning. It's a little unusual at this time of day to see these big red blocks of selling coming in on such low volume with crude oil. So that might be something you want to take note of. The volume is exceeding expectations, even though it's only trading right around 61,000 contracts right now. But I added a couple more magnets down here lower. I try not to clutter up the chart with a bunch of magnets that we're not using because the bus driver isn't in that neighborhood yet. But as this trends down, I would expect to see down here in this this area by this deviation level possibility that it might bounce a little bit, but there's no way to really tell how far down this will go today or any other day. So let's see, if you are trading gold with everything else going up, you might have an opportunity for it to go a little higher, but bonds have definitely, if you watch several markets at a time, you'll notice that all four of the indices are equally down, and bonds is showing a lot of strength. So anyway, it looks like trading with the trend in crude oil. We'll see if it puts in any more lows, but if you see this range channel right here, when this is a dynamic indicator and it will change, you can see it moving up and down, but when you have a range channel for the next hour and it's dropping this much below this hour's range channel, we're at the 30-minute mark and change, this is an indication that the expectation is for this to continue down. So we take all the hints we can get when placing these trades. So that's about it for this has been my view from my world in Apex land, and it's brought to you by Apex Investing. I'll see you around noon. Thanks.